Banyak yang tidak menyukainya karena tingkahnya yang overacting dan terkesan tidak menghormati lawan.
An exciting time. There's massive expectations of him, but it's I think he likes the expectations, he likes the pressure,
Namun tidak sedikit pula yang mengaguminya karena di balik kekonyolannya, dia adalah petinju yang memiliki kecepatan dalam bertarung. Pemukul yang handal, dan salah satu petinju yang lincah bergerak di atas ring.
and he's showboating within 30 seconds of his debut, Tash. Winding up his punches.
Ben Whittaker telah menjadi perbincangan hangat di kalangan penggemar tinju saat ini. Disebut-sebut sebagai penerus dari gaya bertarung Prince Naseem Hamed. Dia tidak terkalahkan, paling tidak hingga saat video ini dibuat.
False confidence that Belutski may have had. Then turned it into a screw right hand down the middle. That was neat. Belutski a little bit of trouble here. Tatar's hamstrung immediately. Brady a little bit of trouble here. Back up to the corner. Six down onto the bottom rope.
Dilahirkan di kota Darlaston, Inggris pada tanggal 6 Juni 1997. Ben Whittaker didiagnosis mengidap ADHD saat masih kecil, yang membuatnya sulit fokus mempelajari sesuatu. Kondisi ini membuat orang tuanya berinisiatif untuk memasukkannya ke kelas balet. Sempat belajar balet selama kurang lebih 1 tahun, dalam suatu kesempatan, ayahnya mengajak untuk melihat pertarungan tinju Olimpiade 2004 antara Amir Khan melawan petinju dari Kuba. Sejak saat itu, Ben Whittaker menyatakan pada ayahnya bahwa dia ingin menjadi petinju. Dia pun mulai meninggalkan latihan balet dan beralih untuk serius mempelajari tinju.
Again, all about your jab. All about your 1-2.
Melakukan pertarungan amatir pertamanya di usia 12 tahun dan terpilih untuk mewakili Inggris di ajang Commonwealth di tahun 2018. Dan juga kejuaraan dunia 1 tahun kemudian. Walaupun di 2 kejuaraan itu hanya mendapat medali perunggu, Ben Whittaker mengakui jika gerakan balet sedikit banyak telah membantunya bergerak lincah di atas ring. Pada tahun 2021, Ben Whittaker dapat kesempatan untuk mengikuti ajang Olimpiade yang berlangsung di kota Tokyo, Jepang. Kali ini dia bertekad akan membawa medali emas di ajang bergengsi ini. Satu persatu lawan mulai dikalahkannya. Di babak final, Ben Whittaker bertarung dengan petinju asal Kuba, Arlen Lopez. Whittaker berjuang keras untuk menang, namun sayangnya dia kalah dalam keputusan bulat. Kekecewaan tampak di wajahnya setelah keputusan juri dibacakan. Dia menolak memasang kalung medali perak yang telah diraihnya.
Well, a different name, same country. They defend the title they had in Rio. Arlen Lopez in a different weight category.
Hingga akhirnya, di tahun 2022, Ben Whittaker memutuskan untuk menjadi petinju profesional dan menandatangani kontrak eksklusif dengan Sky Sport dan Boxer sebagai perusahaan promosi tinju asal Inggris.
Whenever the proper people make that happen.
Dan Sugar Hill Stewart Pelatih mega bintang kelas berat, Tyson Fury, akan membimbing petinju yang juga sering tampil di YouTube dengan lagu-lagu rap ciptaannya ini. 30 Juli 2022, Ben Whittaker akan tampil di debut profesionalnya di kelas berat ringan. Pertarungan pertama yang akan membuatnya menjadi sorotan penggemar tinju dengan perilaku konyol namun memiliki keterampilan bertarung yang memukau.
It's Ben Whittaker's moment of truth. Sugar Hill Stewart in the corner.
Melemparkan beberapa pukulan jab di awal pertarungan.
His first opponent in the professional game.
Kekonyolannya pun dimulai. Melemparkan pukulan ke tubuh untuk melemahkan lawan. Dan juga pukulan ke kepala. Lawannya mulai emosi, terus menyerangnya. Whittaker bergerak mulus untuk menjauh dan kembali memamerkan tingkah tengilnya. Pukulan uppercut mengakhiri ronde pertama ini. Jika ronde pertama penuh hiburan, maka ronde kedua brutal dan cepat. 21 detik berlalu, hook kanan menghantam dan mengakhiri pertarungan. Agustus 2022, Ben Whittaker tampil di pertarungan undercard Alexander Usyk versus Anthony Joshua. Lawannya adalah Peter Nosik, petinju yang pernah dikalahkannya di pertarungan amatir. Whittaker mengandalkan pukulan kanan karena mengalami cedera bahu di ronde pertama.
Thinking about the uppercut.
Cedera yang dialami membuatnya harus menjaga jarak agar lawan tidak agresif menyerang, sambil mencari momen untuk mengumpulkan poin.
Oh, good shot. Lovely right hand. For your winner by unanimous decision. He's still undefeated, the Surgeon, Ben Whittaker.
Hampir 1 tahun tidak bertarung demi menyembuhkan cedera yang dideritanya, Ben Whittaker kembali naik ring pada bulan Mei 2023.
Got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay.
Dengan gaya dan pakaian bermotif macan tutul, seperti yang biasa dikenakan Prince Naseem Hamed, Ben Whittaker keluar dari ruang ganti.
I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. I'm just so bad that you're running into therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits.
Memulai dengan pukulan lurus dan kembali beraksi dengan tingkah tengilnya.
Legs. There's the showboating. Just look distracted by any of that. Whittaker just hopping in on one foot there, and I don't think they're really going to be able to control.
Terus mendekati lawan untuk melemparkan pukulan.
Waving that lead hand looks to Dan Aziz, who were quite a distance.
I think it's Johnny who's shouting.
Ben Whittaker terus mendominasi.
Absolutely, that's a very good point. Right hand cocked to ready to go. Huge right hand from Whittaker. Bows in here, winding up with that right hand again. He's got to try and keep things tight here, Jordan Grant. Get that guard up, which is exactly.
Dan memenangkan pertarungan di ronde ketiga.
His part about that the backhand that came through is it wasn't even.
Oh, and he's staggered again here and down right to the very start of the round here, Jordan Grant. And here comes the town from the corner. This fight is over. Whittaker up on the corner post on the opposite side of the ring. Well, that was over before the round had really even started. Grant came into the centre of the ring. Got caught.
Di pertarungan yang keempat, Ben Whittaker menghadapi Vladimir Belutski. Pukulan-pukulan cepat dilancarkan sejak bel pembukaan.
It's nice to see Whittaker, a little bit more.
Dengan cerdik mengganti pukulan dari tubuh ke kepala.
There's that left hand to the body. But it's been all business right from the start here.
Seperti tidak memberi kesempatan lawan untuk membalas. Uppercut,
He's got to try and ignore all of that and just stick to the task.
hook kiri dan kanan, serta pukulan kombinasi terus dilancarkan.
And he's just looking to try. And he's just
Menjatuhkan lawan di ronde ketiga dengan pukulan bertubi-tubi.
to let the right hand. Doubling up on it, then turned it into a screw right hand down the middle. That was neat. Belutski in a little bit of trouble. And the referee does take.
Momen seperti ini terus berlanjut hingga wasit menghentikan pertarungan di ronde ke-8.
Ben can open him up. Oh, good ball.
Combination again, wasn't it? It was the uppercut. It's just not getting caught by too much. That's a strong right hand there, though. Conor was coming forward, and Whittaker knows that he could, but he had a good 3-4 seconds there. Left hand there from Whittaker, and the referee has jumped in. Stop the fight. The corner don't like.
And he fights out of Dorset.
1 Desember 2023, Ben Whittaker bertarung dengan Stephen Leonetti Dredat, petinju yang pernah menjadi rekan sparringnya di tempat latihan.
Shake hands. Station before things get underway.
Shouldn't be as lengthy.
Everyone just swapping jabs.
Umpan silang diberikan untuk melancarkan pukulan yang lebih keras.
This is what you get from Ben Whittaker, looking for that long right hand. More orthodox now again, looking for that long right leg.
You can tell these guys have been in the ring together before.
Tarian-tarian Whittaker secara bertahap mulai mengganggu konsentrasi lawan.
Can he supply anything about that? But I think he uses it as a.
Very good combination there from Ben. Ben's right hand's been.
That could possibly put him away. Whittaker will be looking to do exactly that.
Aksi pamer Whittaker mendapat teguran dari wasit yang disambut sorakan penonton.
Whittaker here, and I have to say that I'm with the referee on this occasion because
It was a solid round.
Yeah, there was a nice combination there.
Di ronde berikutnya, tanpa bergaya seperti sebelumnya, Whittaker melancarkan 2 pukulan yang langsung menyudahi pertarungan ini.
in the 50 seconds that remain now. Oh, shot. And he is stretched out on his back, and he is out. Reece Carter waves it over immediately and reaches for the gum shield right.
Begitupun di pertarungannya yang ke-6. Dengan keunikan gaya bertarungnya, Ben Whittaker memenangkan pertarungan di ronde ke-5.
Trying to draw something out.
Menjadi tontonan yang menarik ketika melihat petinju yang begitu menikmati setiap momen di atas ring.
just going about his business here. Nice left hand into the body and again an extravagant.
And the brand and all that type of thing. I do.
Beautiful ball backed up. Can he follow it up? He looked for it again.
Aksi-aksi pamer yang dipadukan dengan kecepatan bertarung dan refleks yang bagus dalam menghindari serangan.
Gets caught there. He just missed his ribs and he flipped him. So he has got to be careful.
By hand, but he's just been backed up to the ropes and touched there. Caught with the
Or something just far too good that you can't even land, you can't catch them. It's very demoralising.
Whittaker's antics, so maybe just riling Frazier up a little bit here. He's setting his feet and looking to let his hands go, but that could suit Ben Whittaker both. Though he's a very experienced fighter. Right hand lands on the level again, and he felt that his hand struck immediately. Gravia in a little bit of trouble here, backs up to the corner, sinks down onto the bottom rope. In comes the towel, and just as he was ordered to by the corner, Ben Whittaker provides the finish.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, here is the Drunken Master, Ben Whittaker!
Ben Whittaker menghadapi Leon Willings untuk pertarungannya yang ke-7.
A really good performance against Jake Barton in Liverpool.
Ben Whittaker memulai serangan dengan pukulan jab yang cukup keras.
Sucked the right hand into the body, then went up top and has decent defence there. Shots already. Looking to shut down with the right hand, a good touchdown there for Willings, so that will be counted as a knockdown. He was pinned back on the ropes, he was looking for the left.
Terus menguji ketahanan fisik lawannya.
In fights, he's just got straight down to the...
Yeah, I think that guy that maybe called him out at the press conferences keyed him off because... Good luck. Really good stuff, bro. And for Willings. Good teeing off from Willings on the ropes.
Good 1-2 there from Whittaker. Willings trying to get off the ropes, eventually does. And Whittaker with the long right hand gets through and he's trying to put Willings under some pressure in the corner here, but Willings just...
Whittaker tidak bisa menahan diri untuk tidak pamer. Bahkan dia sempat bertukar kata dengan tim lawan di sela-sela pertarungan.
A bit of a wild swing at Whittaker, who shimmies in front of him, playing the matador to the ball, but Willings does manage to get hold of him to the...
He's growing in confidence as well.
Torso kick! He's getting pissed off! He's getting pissed off! You shut up, you little rat!
How can he let him talk to his coach? Jeez.
And Whittaker with the long right hand gets through and he's trying to put...
Leon Willings yang tangguh kini mulai membalas serangan.
And has got out the way of the shots too. Jeez.
Willings trying to chop down with that right hand again. Whittaker sticking to the task, right hand then left into the body, lands onto the body. Willings comes.
A few clean shots as well. Rolling them right hands, good shoulder roll. Lovely left hooks too.
Whittaker though, just been boxing.
Pertarungan terus berlanjut hingga ronde terakhir.
But he can't sustain it to win the round.
Leon Willings. Whittaker standing a little bit closer, good left hand there from Willings, and then swings himself.
You know, drops, all that drop from Ben Whittaker. I was looking.
He's going to finish the fight, back at Ben Whittaker up to the ropes.
Still undefeated, Ben the Surgeon Whittaker! Ladies and gentlemen, this is our chief support bout of the evening. 10 3-minute rounds for the vacant IBF International Light Heavyweight Championship.
15 Juni 2024 akan menjadi pertarungan perebutan gelar pertama Ben Whittaker sebagai petinju profesional. Melawan Ezra Araneka, Whittaker akan memperebutkan gelar kelas berat ringan IBF Internasional yang kosong.
Protect yourself at all times. Touch glove.
So here we go, they're scheduled for 10 rounds.
Keduanya sama-sama bertarung intens di awal pertarungan, yang diwarnai dengan saling memberi ejekan di akhir ronde pertama ini.
Yeah, exactly. Backing him up.
To know that if he does that against Whittaker, then, well, he will be falling right into the
Whittaker berhasil lebih dulu mendapatkan momen untuk menyerang.
For a really long time, Whittaker. And enjoy himself. But you look at his fights.
Arenyka tidak tinggal diam, ikut membalas serangan. Namun banyak dari pukulannya berhasil dihindari Whittaker.
Just about to complete a Whittaker leading off with the left hook and then just trying to, the reason is that most of the time a few more punches off. Whittaker be creative, a 4-5 punch, a little bit of space there. Whittaker, he could maybe have caught him. He does have that habit when he commits to those with a nice left hand, a couple of left hands. And
Tandukan kepala dari Arenyka setelah bel akhir ronde ke-6 memicu kontroversi.
just as you left us, he goes to walk him back to the corner.
You know, Whittaker goaded him by walking him back.
Arenyka yang terlihat sudah terbawa emosi kembali melakukan tindakan ilegal di ronde ke-7.
Here, then he's going to have to just.
Dan wasit harus mengambil 1 poin darinya.
Between rounds, and then there was the elbow there, and I think he's.
Dengan segala ketekunan dan ketangguhan Arenyka, Whittaker lah yang memegang kendali pertarungan hingga bel terakhir dibunyikan.
The long right hand there doesn't quite land it. Whittaker with that left-handed title, all the same. But at the moment, that's where it is.
Loads of self-confidence.
Leaps into a massive.
Yeah, and he's done so.
Athletes don't have their right of reply. I have no problem with it whatsoever. He's up left to the body. And he's at least really got through and put a big dent in him. And he's just about going to make it through to the final bell there, Aaron.
Declaring your winner by unanimous decision and the new IBF International Light Heavyweight Champion, the Surgeon Red Whittaker!
Sekian dulu video kali ini. Terima kasih sudah menonton dan jangan lupa subscribe channel ini. Selamat beraktivitas dan sampai jumpa di video lainnya.